Hey, good evening. It's December 16th, 2024. I'm now going to go over the interior and the engine bay of this 1973 Mercedes-Benz 220D, finished in dark olive over black MB text. Car has a little over 42,000 original miles. Wait till you see the condition of this interior and this engine bay. Okay, here we go. 1973 Mercedes-Benz 220D unrestored engine bay. There's your original serial number, your data tag. See the decals still on the original radiator. Brand new Mercedes-Benz battery that was just installed. See the beautiful condition of the firewall insulation. Everything on this car is all original. You can see the beautiful CAD plated components. There's your injection pump. Keep in mind, this is an unrestored California engine bay. You look deep inside the recesses of the engine bay, you're not going to see any corrosion anywhere. Absolutely magnificent, all original condition. Absolutely breathtaking. The interior on this car is finished in MB text. See how beautiful the door cards are. Entry sills are immaculate. Absolutely crack-free dash. You see the condition of the seats. They're still very firm and supportive. Has a set of cocoa mats that we installed in 2017. Carpets underneath are spectacular. Gorgeous headliner. You'd be hard pressed to find a nicer, cleaner car than this. Even the sun visors are in immaculate condition. Gorgeous car. See the condition of the trunk. I made a separate video. I was so amazed at how clean and rust-free the trunk is. It's absolutely amazing. The original floor mat still soft and pliable after all these years. That's unusual. There's your original spare tire. There's the bare AC from European Motors in San Francisco. It was never installed. Back to the car. See the door card on this side. Seats are extremely firm and supportive. It feels like they were never sat in the rear seats. See no UV damage to anything. Even the seatbelt receptors are still bright orange. Look at the bright work. Absolutely immaculate. How nice the steering wheel is. 42,859 miles. Absolutely crack-free dash. 4-speed manual. Absolutely gorgeous. Has to be one of the cleanest engine bays I've ever seen. It's immaculate. This is an unrestored car. will be coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer. You can see even underneath the battery tray is immaculate underneath. (1973) Mercedes-Benz 220D 4-speed, finished in dark olive. 51-year-old, all original car, coming up for auction soon on Bring a Trailer. No reserve. Today's December 16th, 2024. Want to wish everyone the best of luck.